Maharashtra reports the sharpest single-day spike of coronavirus cases. Several experts warned of a second wave of coronavirus in India after USA and some of the European countries are shattered. The daily tally of Indian coronavirus cases witnessed a sharp rise from the past 2 weeks. Among these, Maharashtra alone contributed to more than 75% of the total tally reported per day. A record number of 25,833 cases of coronavirus cases are reported yesterday in Maharashtra alone, which is shocking. This is the sharpest single-day spike reported in the state and is the highest after 11 September 2020. Mumbai reported 2877 cases yesterday, which is the highest single-day spike after October 7 last year. The Indian government said that Maharashtra is in the middle of the second wave for coronavirus. In February, the daily tally in Maharashtra dropped to 2,000 cases per day, and now it reached 25,000 cases per day. The total tally of coronavirus cases reported in the state till date are said to be 396,340. 58 deaths are reported in Maharashtra yesterday, taking the total death tally to 53,138. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray said that the centre is yet to approve 134 private hospitals for the vaccination drive. The total number of recoveries in the state are said to be 21,75,565 and the active cases are at 1,66,353. The officials of Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation (BMC) are in plans to conduct antigen tests at the crowded places like shopping malls, bus stands and railway stations.